In this lesson we are going to paint a sunset scene. This looks like a place maybe somewhere in the desert. You can see some of the cactus trees there, or plants. We can also see that because the sun is setting, these objects are black. So we call that a silhouette. Okay, so let's start working on the bottom part of the painting first. So that's the landscape. This area will be black. So those are basically just two curved lines. And then you can go ahead and draw in those cactus trees. Pretty straightforward shape. It looks like a long rectangle, and in the top part will be curved. And then you can also draw one here on the right side, and then another one that's smaller on the left side. This is actually a very easy and fun painting to do. So now you can use a medium-sized brush, and we will work on the sunset part. So you can start at the top. Notice how the top part of the painting is more intense and red in color, and then as I work my way down, I add more orange to the mix. So the bottom part of the painting will definitely be more orangey, slightly lighter in value as well. So you need to paint this quickly, don't overthink it too much. You can see how I'm adding some of those little bits of red in there as well, just to make the sky look more interesting. Okay, so when you are done with the sky, you can wait for everything to dry completely. And then you can use a medium-sized brush and black paint. And then you can start to paint in all those shapes we created earlier. You can start here at the bottom with the landscape section first. And then you can move on to do the rest.